Hi royalties, my name is Satipu and welcome to another YouTube video. I'm going to talk about some home remedies to get rid of gas in babies. You realize how these babies are smiling? We want to keep them that way. We want to get the air out of their system, and the air gets into their digestive tract when the baby sucks on a bottle incorrectly or latch onto the breast incorrectly, or when the baby just normally cries, a lot of hair go in the system. Every baby has gas, but it does not affect every baby. You will know when gas affects the baby when the baby keeps crying when passing gas, or arching the back, or lifting the leg towards the tummy, or just a swollen looking stomach. So we're going to view some ways to get rid of gas out of the baby system, and the first one is tummy time.
Lady,
Kings and
go!
queens, it's tummy time. Now you're going to place the baby on his or her tummy. The pressure on the tummy will help to relieve gas. Remember, you have to supervise the baby and do not leave the baby to sleep on his or her tummy. The baby must sleep on the back. So this is another way of helping to get the gas out of the baby's system. We need our babies to smile. We don't need them to be crying. So place the baby on the tummy and have him or her supervised.
Attention mommies, this is great for baby's tummy gas. You do the I love you abdominal massage. Watch the illustration, an I and an L and a U. The left side of the baby's gut is where his digestion is, so you always want to do it clockwise. Try it, it works.
We have just looked at massaging the baby's belly in a circular motion, but now we're going to look at baby bicycle. Now you're going to lay the baby on his back and gentle cycle his legs in a bicycling motion towards his tummy. We want to manually help push out top hair, or we can just gently push the baby knees up to his tummy and hold for 10 seconds, then release. And we have to straighten back the baby's leg. We can continue to repeat this until it is a success. Kings and queens, we are determined to get that gas out of the prince or princess. So this other position is called lying across your lap. You're gonna lie your baby across your lap face down, supporting their chin. Don't put any pressure on the throat area. Do not push any pressure on the throat area. You're gonna use your free hand to openly rub or pat your baby's back. Kings and queens. So here we have another burping position, and it is called sitting on the lap. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to sit your baby on your lap facing you. Place the palm of your hand flat against your chest and support their chin and jaw. Don't put any pressure on the throat area. Let me repeat. Don't put any pressure on the throat area. You're going to lean the baby forward slightly, and with your free hand, gently rub or pat your baby's back. So here we have another burping position to get that gas out of the prince or princess. Here we have over your shoulder burping position. First thing you got to do, kings and queens, support the baby's head and neck. Make sure the tummy and back is nice and straight. It is not curled up. You're going to rub or pat the back gently. You don't need to spend ages burping your baby. A couple of minutes should be enough to encourage burping. You might want to walk around a bit for you and the baby to be more comfortable. So here we have the over your shoulder burping position. We have just looked at 3 burping positions to get rid of gas out of our wonderful little prince and princess. And apart from that, queens, you can look about your diet. Some of the things that we eat do pass on gas into the babies. So let us have our little gems at heart and think about the best thing for them. We don't want them to be crying all the time. We want them to have smiles. So we can also change the bottle nipple to help prevent gas from going into the baby's mouth. So there we have it, kings and queens. Have a blessed day and keep those babies smiling and healthy and loved and cared for. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe, and like. Blessings to you all.